Yeah, okay. I started recording. Yeah, what you can do to save your 750 hours, okay, daily guys, once your class done, okay, once your practice done, please remove the EC2 instances. Okay, that is one thing. Sometimes one more thing, guys, even if you remove your EC2 instance also, if your volumes available, means storage available, I'll show that also. Maybe as of now, it's enough for you, definitely. Don't launch as many servers, okay, Prasad.
Okay.
Only launch how many servers you need. Example, again,
Yes.
Prasad, we are getting disturbance. Yeah, so only launch one server if it is not mandatory. Maybe later classes, guys, if you take Git, Jenkins, maybe again, so there you need more server. That time only launch many servers. That too, once your work done, at least shut down or else remove them. Definitely 750 hours are enough. Okay, and one more thing, guys, just a minute. And one more thing, for some of the applications, you cannot go with the free versions. Let's take Sonar Cube. Okay, Sonar Cube, you cannot go with 1 GB and 1 GB, 1 CPU for your system, for your EC2 instance, which you are creating in your AWS. Compulsory, you have to go with large version, something like T2 medium. So now currently what you are maybe launching, right? That type is T2.micro. Only that is the free version. So I will tell you the calculator also. Don't worry about that. Okay. But as of now, go with, yeah, just a minute. As of now, go with AWS only, because if you go with VMware, some parameter might be different again. You cannot again follow our concepts there. VMware may have little different that OS related configuration, because AWS image is different. Normal OS image will be different. Some configuration will be different. So you will be again confused. If you are okay to manage, that's fine. You can go ahead. Okay, but I will try to get it. But as of now, I don't have it. That VMware software. Okay,
Yes.
I'll give you maybe any links and all if any possible.
Okay, okay. I'm asking for my personal practice.
Okay, sure, definitely. Okay, then guys, let's start. Who is going to share the screen today? Guys, who is going to share this? And Sriram and Deepak, have you created your AWS account?
I have created, sir. Yeah, I have created.
Okay. Okay, great. Yeah, Sriram said you don't have laptop now, right? No problem. Maybe, but please get it as soon as possible, because very
Okay.
important. Linux, without Linux, you cannot understand. So as I told you one more thing. So tomorrow onwards, we are going to connect at 7:15 a.m. IST, guys. DevOps. Okay, Linux is the last class for only basics, guys. Linux not yet done. So many things yet to cover. Okay, so still advanced commands are there. So many other commands are there. So we'll see those like step by step, maybe wherever it is required. I don't want to again cover now and then. Okay, it will be very difficult, time waste process. Okay, basics, whatever we need just to manage, how to log in, how to create files, folder, okay, manage them, those things and all we discussed till now. Yeah, go ahead. So I need a volunteer, guys. Who is going to share the screen today? Quickly. Can you please confirm? Can you please respond, guys? So Pritesh,
I'm okay.
yeah, okay, Pushpita, please go ahead. And I want to hear from others also, guys. Everybody, so try to share your screen.
Let me share my screen.
That's fine. Anyway, I given to Pushpita. Maybe no problem.
Okay.
Tomorrow you can share your screen.
Okay.
Tomorrow onwards, we are going to start DevOps, guys. But more concentrate on. So I haven't given task, right? Linux task. Today I will give the task to you. Let me give right away. Let me copy it into group. I hope everybody is there in my group, right, guys?
WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
Any,
Yes, sir. What?
yes, in my, exactly, in 8:30 November group,
Yes, sir.
right? Let me send tasks there right away. So can you open your WhatsApp, Pushpita, here in the screen? So I'll send in WhatsApp. Just a minute. So I'm going to send tasks now. Those are basic questions, guys. Everybody should know the answers. Maybe if I ask you what is, how to check RAM, how to check CPU, what is process, how to check what I can say, OS version, which distribution you are using. These kind of questions you have. Can you open that file? Basic questions. Everybody, guys, I need answers from you. Anyway, weekend next so within one day you are getting weekend, right? So make sure that by Monday you have to complete all these things, guys. Basic questions. Around 30 or 40 questions are there. Basic questions. Make sure that you practice all these things to make more understanding. So already some of the topics I covered, guys. Some topics I haven't covered, but still try to do R&D, and you can ping in group chat, guys. If any doubts, so this question I'm unable to understand. So please ping in group chat. If anybody already like did that, you can reply, guys. So please help together. Okay, in that way you will get more knowledge, guys. Not only for Linux, I'm telling. Day to day, again, once we started DevOps, there also you will get so many tasks, guys. Okay, everybody, you should complete those tasks. Then only you can get. Yeah, please go ahead now. I think Pramod, I don't have your number.
I'm
Are you
going to
there
ask
in?
your number actually. Can you please share your number? I'm gonna ping you.
Yeah. So ping me in WhatsApp. I'll add you into my group.
Okay, sir.
Okay then, guys. So where are we, guys? In last class we discussed about how to start, how to install application, how to start application, right? So any doubts there, guys? What is service? What is service? In last class we discussed. Service is a program file, which is a supported file, I can say, maybe which runs in backend for our application. So let me show you quickly the same thing. So we'll finish. Just clear the screen. Yeah. So yum install httpd. So guys, any application if you install, okay. So if you want to, if you would like to install, this is the way. Okay. So httpd sample applications I'm showing. It can be any other. You can try this. So again, how to start this application now? How to start means service systemctl. First check the status your httpd. That service name also would be same almost, guys. 99% it would be same. Now it is showing inactive. Now start it. Systemctl start httpd. You can see the service file also, guys. User lib systemd system httpd. Now check the status. Now you can use httpd application because you started. One more thing I want to show you, guys. Clear the screen. So as I told you, repositories. How to add the repository to your Linux box? Can you run yum space repo list? Repo list. Yeah. No. Repo list. LIST. Enter. See, guys. I got 2 repositories from AWS. Yesterday I told you, right? Let me share my screen. What is a repository? I'll explain one more time. Let me share my screen. I'm taking control. I'll get back to you. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Example, This is your Linux box, guys. As I told you, there are so many repositories in the market. Okay, like AWS has some repository, means some common storage where he is maintaining. So now, example, Play Store. Play Store has all the mobile applications. Again, App Store has all the mobile. Both are different vendors maintaining. Same concept here also. So some web applications, maybe Red Hat related, these Red Hat family related. As I told you already. So guys, Red Hat, CentOS, Fedora, Amazon Linux, Oracle Linux. So all are single family. Means, so example, I got Skype application somewhere in the Google. Okay, it's maybe some example. HTTP application for Oracle Linux. So I can install the same version, same package on top of this also, because all are same only, same family. But whereas Ubuntu and Debian are different family. Means Ubuntu package I can install in Debian. Debian package I can install Ubuntu. Okay, same, almost same family. So now, as I told you guys, for all of these repository they will be there. Again, for these also repositories will be there, but different repositories. Not these repository may not work. Okay, so there are like so many members, so many third parties, they are maintaining the repository. Repository is nothing but kind of website, guys. I can say they're maintaining the different applications. So example, as this is my Linux which I installed on top of AWS, right? So automatically by default that AWS guys added the repositories, some of the repositories to my Linux box. That is where I am able to run this command, guys. When I run this command, I'm able to connect to my repository. Already this repository address I have it in this server. Okay, so by using yum, I'm able to connect to this repository over the internet. But what about normal Linux box? Example, in my laptop, I installed my Linux box, my OS. Then in that case, you don't get any third-party repository. You have to add them, guys. Either you can create your own repository and add it, that is one thing. But nowadays, nobody, it's a time-waste process. Already there are so many third-party repositories I have. So I can add them directly. One of them is EPEL repository, guys. Okay, one of them is EPEL repository, third-party repository. Okay, we can add it into any Linux box, Amazon Linux, Red Hat, CentOS, Oracle Linux. So we can add this repository. Now I'm going to show you how to add third-party repositories. Okay, let's go ahead. So Pushpita, how to add third-party repositories to, okay, so it's not, what should I do? Yeah, I given a presenter role to you, please go ahead. How to add third-party repositories? Right now, you can see that 2 repositories you have. Actually, I haven't added any repositories. Repository means, guys, like Play Store, you're getting in mobile. Same concept here. By default, this is a, we built this server on top of AWS data center. So I got it by default. Okay, now let's add third party. Go to browser once in your Google, Windows laptop. Yeah. How to add EPEL repository to, and which distribution you are using? Pushpita, how can I know that? Can you open your putty session once? I want to know this Linux box, which distribution? Is it Amazon Linux? Is it Red Hat? Is it Ubuntu? I want to know that. Already, I think I showed that in last class,
How
previous
about it?
class. I'm sorry?
How about what about it or something command?
No.
No, sir.
No. There is a file called /etc, under that /os-release. How to open the files? We can use cat or VA command. So go with cat command. Cat space /etc/os-release. So guys, under etc folder, os-release is the file. I no need to go to etc specially, and there I no need to open it. So instead of 2 steps, I can go with single step, guys. See, tell me now which distribution it is, guys. Which distribution I'm working for now? This machine?
Amazon.
Amazon Linux. Okay, now go ahead and search for the Amazon Linux. EPEL, not ETEL. EPEL. EPEL. That is one of the third-party repository, guys. Yeah, good. How to add EPEL repository to Amazon Linux? They will give the steps, guys. How to add third-party repository? You can add it into your own Linux box also. Anywhere I can add this to Amazon Linux. Of course, you can get CentOS and that command also you can run here. Yeah, go with the first one. Come down. Come down. You'll get the command. Okay, try this. I'm not sure. Okay. Sudo not required because already you are with root, right? Simple. If you are with a normal user, you can use this sudo command, but only authorized persons. I think Prasad, you asked one question yesterday, right? In group chat. Sorry, in WhatsApp.
Yes,
Yeah. So actually you have to give sudo access. Now I will show you how to give sudo access also. Yeah. Now run yum space repo-list. Let's see it's added or not. It's not yet done. So wait for some time. Press enter. Inactive. Okay. Restart the session. It seems some communication problem. Just right click on that white bar and you can see the restart button now. Here itself. Yeah. Restart session. Restart session will be there. So guys, sometimes if any network, no, not that one, above it, restart option, restart session is there. If any case, some communication between you and AWS network, your session will be inactive. You have to again re-log in. That is what I am doing now. Yeah. Now sudo -a. Now do yum space repo-list. Let's see if it's done or not. Yeah, see, you can see EPEL repository also now, which is added to your repository. Generally in mobiles, only one Play Store will be there, right? But here it's not like that. You can add any number of repositories. Now see EPEL. How many applications there he is maintaining? 13,400. I don't know why he is giving 13,277 plus 196. What is that plus 196? I don't know. But around 400, 13,400. Can you highlight that line? EPEL line? Just highlight. See, 13,277 applications he is maintaining in his repository. Just I added the details, guys, into my system. That's it. So whenever I run yum install some application name, it will connect to this repositories. It will download the latest application, latest version. Okay, this is how. Can you clear the screen one more time? Clear. Can you run yum install Jenkins? Again, Jenkins is one more application, guys. So it may not have in your existing repositories. So what is the error you're getting, guys? What error you're getting now?
Nothing to do. No package Jenkins available.
Exactly. So what happened here now? First it went to all the repositories. How many repositories you have? 4 repositories you have in your system. Okay. It went to all 4 repositories over the internet. It seems nowhere Jenkins application available. It's third-party repository, right? All application may not be available there. Now go to Google again. So this case, what to do now again? Google Jenkins download on Amazon Linux. Maybe Jenkins download. Just type Jenkins download. If any application you are unable to find by using install, what to do? I'm showing now. So Google, you will get the steps again. Yeah, install Jenkins download. Enter. So Jenkins official web page. I'm going. Come down. Come down. Yeah, here there itself. Little scroll. Little up. Little up. Little. Yeah, this one. So he's maintaining 2 versions here. Stable version, latest version. So always we'll go with stable version only. Left side is the stable version. And what is your distribution as I told you, guys? What is our distribution? Linux distribution. Amazon Linux. So can you check Amazon Linux distribution here? Come down a little bit, left hand side. Do we have Amazon Linux? We don't have Amazon Linux, but CentOS is there. As I told you, CentOS, Fedora, Red Hat, Amazon Linux, Oracle Linux, all are same. Go with CentOS one. Select it. Yeah, go ahead and follow these steps. Copy the first one. Sudo not required because already you are with root. He is giving one more repository, guys. Okay. So every time you may not get the repositories, it depends on application. Sometimes they will give direct RPM package only. So as I told you guys, we are installing actually .rpm packages, whatever the applications we are downloading, right? Minstall, Git, minstall Java, minstall Docker. So those are RPM packages. Yeah, run it. Enter. Okay, good. Next. One more command is there. So now again, you added one more repository, guys. Jenkins repository you added. Now can you do yum repo list? Clear the screen and run that. Always clear. Yum repo list. See, you got Jenkins repository also. Now your Jenkins will work. You can install Jenkins. Run yum install Jenkins. Don't press yes. Okay, I'll show something here. Wait. Above you can see that from where it is downloading this package in the table. See, Jenkins version 2.2493 1.1. See the repository name. Can you highlight that? 4th field in table. See, it is downloading from Jenkins repository. Earlier it was not there. Now, just now I added, now I am able to do that. Press yes now. Yes means download and install. D means download only. No means I don't want to continue.
Sir, hello.
Yes.
So normally we want to install Jenkins, but install cannot do it. So we need to have a repository of Jenkins. So first we are getting the Jenkins repository, and then we are adding the software. Correct? That is the purpose of repository.
Exactly, you're right.
Okay.
So as I told you, there are so many repositories in the market, but every repository may not have all the softwares. Yes or no?
Correct.
Example, I am one vendor. Okay, I am maintaining one website. So my purpose is generally my website purpose is I would like to maintain all the software, but still I may not have some third-party software. Yes or no? So that point of time, user will go with some other website instead of coming to me. That is what I did now. So
Okay.
Jenkins application, nowhere, nobody is maintaining. Whatever the repositories I have already, they don't have Jenkins application. So what I did, simply I went to Google, there I browsed it. Something where I can find out Jenkins application. So somewhere I got Jenkins repository. So I added to my Linux box. Now I am able to install. That is what I did. Yes, exactly. So adding repository is not mandate every time. It depends whether your application available or not there or not. You can check that by running minstall a command. Okay, it will throw an error if your application not there in your repositories already. That time you have to go to Google, find out the correct repository. And as I told you, one more thing, every time adding repository is not possible. Okay, sometimes some application anywhere, so no other repository may have that application. You have to Google it then. Directly sometimes we'll get RPM packages only. No need to add a repository and all. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Now did you understand the concept of repositories? How your M is working?
Yeah.
I think even you know now how to add third-party repositories also. Okay, these commands and all you no need to remember. I mean that adding repository, because just a minute, guys. I'm back. My kid is doing some noise here. Okay then. So where I'm, yeah, that is how application installation works. Now I will show you that how to add normal user in, how to get sudo access for normal user. What is sudo access, guys? I think already I covered that. What is sudo access, guys? What is sudo access?
Actually,
Root access.
just
For root access.
Exactly. Sudo access means for normal user, if you want root authorization. So basically there is a user called root and other user all are called as normal user, like EC2 user, Amar, Pradeep, okay, Prasad, all are normal users only. Definitely normal user cannot install anything, cannot run. Now I install install Jenkins. Normal user cannot do that. It will throw an error. You are not a root user and all. So in that case, that normal user should maybe can do two things. Either he should reach out to admin who has the admin access, or else he should know the root credentials to switch to root user. And one more thing, he should have the sudo access. So three things he can do if he is the normal user. Now I'm going to show you how to provide sudo access. Sudo access means providing root authorization, guys. Something like if I, let's take one plat. I have one plat. There generally owner will be there. Apart from owner, something what I can say, GP, yeah? What we can say, guys? Power of attorney. Something like this. This one. Sudo means power of attorney. It's not, he's not the owner actually, but he has the rights. Same concept. Okay, so sudo is same concept, guys. Can you open a new maybe session, because it's taking some time, right? Just right click, duplicate session. No, duplicate session. You don't need to go all these things again. Yeah, EC2 user. Now I'm going to show you for normal user how to get the sudo access. Now sudo -i. Let's create a normal user. Example, your name, user add space your username. Enter. Now set the password also for Pushpita. Password PASSWD, then that username. PASSWD, no, PASSWD. That is the command. Guys, there is a shortcut also. Example, only half command I know. Just can you remove this all things? Only can you give PASS? So now I don't know full command. Simple double click. Sorry, tab it. Press the tab button. Tab will fulfill your commands, guys. Okay, so shortcut for your maybe spellings. Yeah, now your username. To which user you would like to add the password? Yeah, set the password. It's you cannot see that password. Just type blindly. Again, retype the same password. No problem. Above is just a warning. Don't worry. Retype the same password. What you given? Yeah. Now I have the password. Now how to log in? As I told you guys, as of now, that Pushpita user cannot log into system directly. How you logged in EC2 with EC2 user? The same way he cannot. She cannot now. Okay, because they did some settings here, some config. I don't want to show right away. We'll see that later cases. Anyway, I have to show that. Now, I have one more way. SU space hyphen space. From one user to another user, I can switch like this. Space your username. Pushpita. Enter. Yeah. Now can you run who am I command? Switch user, guys. In Windows also we have this concept. Switch user. SU stands for switch user, guys. And I switched from root user to normal user. Now can you run sudo space hyphen I command? You cannot. It will throw an error. It will ask password. Sudo space hyphen I. You did from normal EC2 to root user, right? Yeah. Enter. Now I add the password. Your push with the password only. See what is the error you are getting? Pushpita is not in sudo file. The incident will be reported. See, she is not able to run that command because she should have sudo access. Then only she can run. Who will provide? Who has the root access? Second, definitely your admin will be there in your team. DevOps admin or system admin. So Pushpita has to reach out to admin. Now exit. Anyway, you are only admin now. Exit now. If you exit, you can go back to root again because you came from root, right? So that's the reason. Now clear the screen. How to get the sudo access now? For normal user, any user, not only for Pushpita. For that purpose, can you open Notepad once? Yeah, new Notepad, and make sure that, guys, before Monday you have to complete this task, guys. Make sure that at any cost you should answer. You should remember all these questions. It's not like copy pasting the answers from Google. You have to understand question and answers. You can Google it, but if I ask question, you should understand, you should know the answer. That is what my intention. Yeah. So there is a file called /etc/etc/sudoers sudoers. This is the file name, guys. ERS. And this is the file name. In this file, you have to add that Pushpita user details. Okay. Now open that file. Cat /etc/sudoers /etc/sudoers sudoers. Enter. Sorry, not cat. Actually, I have to modify, right? Go with VA editor. So to modify, VA editor. sudoers. Enter. Okay, this is your file now. I want to go to last line. What is the shortcut, guys, in VA editor? Guys, I want to go to last line. What is the shortcut?
Capital G.
Exactly. Go with capital G now. Pushpita. Press your cursor first. Press your cursor first. Yeah, now you can do that. Okay. Now I want to insert my data, guys. I want to go to insert mode. What should I do?
I or AIO.
Small I. Or else, yes, small I, capital I, small O, capital O. These are the 6 options. Okay. Yeah. Now press escape. I will give one more shortcut. Press small O. Small O is also insert mode only, right? Directly it will take you to the next line. It will create a new line in insert mode. Now you are in insert mode. Okay. Now tell me, what is the user you want to give sudo access? That username. Good. Your username. Pushpita space. Above, you can see somewhere maybe 10 lines above. You can see something all equals to all, no password colon. Can you copy that? Highlight that line. All, yeah, that line. Complete up to last line. That line only. Underscore percentile will. But don't copy total. Only from all. All equals to all. That one. No. Above line. Above line. Not that one. Below line. Middle. Yeah. From there. Copy that all equals to all. Complete. No password. Copy that. Only up to that. You should not copy like that. You are copying extra spaces before and after that also. You have to copy as it is. Until all only. Next all. Like this. Okay. Now just right click. Right click. Yeah, fine. This is the syntax, guys. Now this is the syntax. Maybe example one more user. For Amar user also I want to give same one more line. Same syntax. Amar all equals to all. No password. Yeah, like this. If Amar user also I want to give sudo access. Now right now you don't have. But if at all, if Amar user is there, for all the user you have to give like this, line by line. Now onwards, now Pushpita and Amar also almost admins only. They can run any command, any admin commands with sudo. Now save this. But be careful, guys. While working with this command, okay, escape, press escape. Shift colon WQ, exclamatory mark. Actually, Amar not required because Amar not there, right? But that's fine, no issues. WQ exclamatory mark to save the file. Okay, now onwards, Pushpita is admin. Now switch to Pushpita user. Let's see that. Sudo su space hyphen space Pushpita. Not sudo. Sudo not required. Normal. Su space hyphen space Pushpita. Just for checking purpose, okay. I'm switching to Pushpita user again. Yeah, now run sudo hyphen a command. Now you can run sudo command, guys. Because I given a sudo access to Pushpita. Now she can run any sudo command. So Prasad, did you understand?
Yeah. Actually, when I installed that RHA OS yesterday, I've given root password.
Yeah, that time. Yeah, but here by default, like in AWS, you don't get the root part. You have to set it again. You can set it, no problem. Yeah. Now clear the screen. So next thing is about task manager, guys. What is task manager in Windows? Any idea? What is the use?
It will show the running applications.
Exactly. It will show all the running applications. Yeah. What is the purpose? When do you open task manager in your Windows? Guys? When do you open a task manager in Windows? Maybe use case I'm asking.
When CPU is
when it is struck something.
Exactly. Something your application you're unable to close. You're unable to manage your application. Your system is slow. In such a case, Yes, exactly. Task manager will be open. Same concept here also there. If something I'm unable to manage, maybe something how to start your application by running systemctl start so and so, right? Your system is very slow performing, or else you are unable to start or stop your application. Okay, very simple. So here also task manager concept is there. Okay, ps space -ef. Can you run ps space -ef? It will show all available process in your system. Similar to task manager, guys. Yeah, enter. See, can you maximize your screen? Yeah, see all the applications which you opened. Even you, I think you started HTTPD, right? See, HTTPD processes are there. So around 5 process started. Maybe it depends on application. It's not like that every time 5 process. Can you highlight the HTTPD process? You can see Apache somewhere 4 lines. Yeah, here for that application 5 process, maybe 5 threads started. That is the reason 5 process. It depends on applications. Every command, guys, when you run a command, it doesn't matter cd, ls, pwd, vi, sudo. What will happen? Immediately your kernel will create one process. Okay, it will assign one ID also. See, every second field, every process has one ID. 3497, 3498, 3499, 3500, 3501. Second field in every line. Can you highlight the second field for Apache? You can see the process IDs. Pushpita. Yeah, second line, second field, 3499. That is the process ID for that process. Next line, 3500, 3501, 3502. These are process IDs, guys. So maybe by with the reference with names, I can identify. But how my system will identify? With IDs only, guys. System doesn't know the names. System identify the names with IDs only. Okay. Now, how to kill? Yeah. Example, some application, my application not working. Okay, unable to, maybe I'll show live example, guys. Can you open a one more session, a new session, Pushpita? Same, duplicate session. For the same server, I'm logging in one more time, guys. Maybe your other users will be there, right? Assume that 2 laptops, 2 persons logged into the same system by using putty. Now here, can you open VI editor, VI space, your file name, any file name, some test file. Example I'm showing, guys. Enter. Until this file close, that process will be there. Go back to other session. Same server only, right? Do ps-ef again. You can see that process now here. ps space -ef. See, where is VI? Where is VI? Just scroll up a little bit. Scroll up a little bit. Yeah, here it is. Come down, little down, little down. Here it is. No. Come down. Here it is. It's gone. Middle, exactly middle. VI test 1. See, that process is there. Can you highlight that line? Somewhere from top to 10th line. From top to 10th line. 10th or 11th line. 1, 2, 3. So just check it. VI process ID you can see. Process name. VI test 1 is there.
496.
Exactly. 496 your process ID. Count the lines maybe. See the process names. Last field, last column is the process name. Exactly, that one. So 496 your is process. Example, you are unable to manage that VI editor now. Okay. You are unable to close that. Somehow it got stuck. Simple. What is my process ID? 496. You can kill this. Kill space, write down. Kill space -9 496, your process ID. -9 is a signal here, guys. So, okay, space 496. Your ID number, guys. 496 is your process ID. Make sure that, guys, you should use the proper process ID. Okay, so don't use some other process ID. It will be your process, other process will be killed. Okay, press enter. Now go to other session. Let's see what is the status of your VA. See, it's killed. This is how process works, guys. Even one more command also there, top command. Okay. Kill the screen. Sorry, clear the screen. One more, actually, here itself I want to show one more thing. What ps-ef showing, guys? Hello, guys. What ps-ef command is showing? What it is showing? What output showing? Yes.
All the
It
current
is showing
running processes.
exactly. Don't execute. Just type the command. Here my requirement is actually in previous search, I want to search VA editor, something process related to VA. See how, like, again I have to scroll up, scroll down. It was very difficult to search whole output because that's a very big output. So in any output, guys, not only this output, in any output, you want, if you want to search something, okay, there is very easy tool, guys. Can you use pipe symbol? It will be available under maybe on top of enter command. Pipe symbol. Pipe.
Right.
So on top of enter button, some backspace pipe straight line is there. That one.
Below
Yeah.
backspace.
Exactly. So what this pipe symbol will do, that command output, it doesn't matter what command it is. Okay, ps-ef, ls, any command output, it will send it to the second command, guys. Pipe symbol. Now there is a command called grep. What is my requirement? I want to search a keyword called VA, right? Grep space. I want to search VA in that output. Okay, that keyword. Only that word I want to search. Search with VA now. See, as of now, you don't have that one. So same PS, but this is also one process created. That one it is showing. Now let me show one more thing. Go to other screen. Just start VA editor again one more time. Other screen, not here. Start VA editor again one more time. Same file. Open the file again. Now let's search it now. Yeah, VA space, your file name, any file name. Okay, okay. Now go back to press enter once. Yeah, now go back to other screen. See, guys, now I can search easily. I no need to search whole output. Simple, run the same command. You will get the answer. ps space -ef pipe grep VA. See, guys, it will print only that lines wherever it found like VA keyword. Maybe not only VA, guys. I want to search something, some HTTPD keyword, Apache keyword. Only Apache process I want to see. Scroll up. Remove VA. Scroll up once. No, just so sorry. Use up arrow, not scroll up. Up arrow will show you the previous commands, guys. Yeah. No, not that much. Just one. I asked only one time. Okay, no problem. You did many times. Run it normally. ps-ef. This one. So now I want to search Apache keyword, guys. Not VA. So simple. Remove that VA and make it Apache. It will print all the Apache keywords. how many lines I have Apache, that many lines it will print. See in any output, guys, not only this output. Example, do ls once. Do you have any files here? One more thing I will show. Example, I want to check how many applications installed in my system. Okay, rpm space -qa. Can you run rpm space -qa?
Sir, what is LS?
ls will list of your files. In your example, you are in D drive. Okay, so maybe in Windows. So visually you can see that what are there in that D drive and all. Yes or no? If you go to D drive. But
Correct.
here in Linux, if you go to any directory, okay, it won't show the contents directly. You have to do ls command to see the contents.
Okay.
Example, I went to /tmp. I want to see the content. By default, it won't show anything when you go to the tmp directory. You have to do ls command, then only it will show. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So next here, rpm-qa will give you the full list of applications, guys. How many applications I have in my system. So again, I want to search Java application here. No need to see full output. Simple, again, same command. Use up arrow. rpm-qa. Now what should I do? Pipe symbol.
Pipe.
Pipe grep. Grep you have to use. Grep is the search tool, guys. From any output, you can search anything. Now it will show you whether Java is there or not. It's in Java. Can you install Java now? Install Java. Install Java. Okay. Now press yes. Now run the same command, previous command. Now it will show the like Java package. Wherever you have Java keyword, so it will show that Java lines. Maybe I want to count the number of lines, guys. Okay, so in that output, number of applications I want to count. No need to count manually again. rpm space -qa -qa pipe symbol grep Java. It will print only, it will show whether Java is there or not in that list. No need to search the whole output, guys. Here every package, every application, it is showing in one line, right? So if I count the number of lines, I can say how many lines, how many applications I have, right? Same command. Use up arrow once. Remove that grep word, grep command. There is a command called wc, guys. Remove that whole grep Java everything. Only pipe symbol. Remove that p Java everything. We'll change the command. Use right arrow. Right. Okay. So just type it rpm-qa pipe space wc space -l. So wc is one more command, guys. What wc will do means it will count the number of lines, number of words. See, 478 lines I have in that command output. That means 478 applications I have in my system, guys. So rpm-qa printing all the application list line by line. One line, one application. It is showing. So if I count the number of lines, I can find out how many applications. So what I did, that output I sent it to the second command. So second command I'm using wc. Grep is to search. WC is to count the number of lines. Okay, this is pipe symbol is very useful, guys. Later, I will cover shell script. Okay, that time I will. This pipe symbol is very, very useful. Okay, so we'll discuss more in advanced topic. No problem. Now clear the screen. One more command, top command is there, guys. Top command, clear? Top, TOP. It will show you the same, guys. Process information only, but topmost process it will show you. Enter. See? So which process? Can you press Shift M? Shift M. Shift M will show you process list in memory order, guys. See, you can see percentile. Can you highlight that line? Percentile memory. In white line, somewhere percentile memory. See, it is showing each process how much memory it is consuming. It will show, guys, this command. Percentile. Now it is showing in order, memory order. Now shift P. Can you press shift P? It will show in CPU order, which process consuming how much CPU. I mean, like what is the most utilized process. So as of now, all are basic application. That's the reason it's showing like almost zero. Your CPU not being used. Only
So,
memory. Yes.
Shift P is order and Shift M is memory order, sir.
Exactly, you're right. Shift M is for memory. It will show the process in memory order. Which process consuming more memory, it will show first. Ascending or descending order. And shift to P means CPU order. Okay, so you can check out. Okay, whenever you feel something performance issue in your system, you can open this top command, guys. What's happening? Which process consuming more CPU, more RAM? You can check here, and if possible, you can kill it. If it is application related, you have to inform them. You should not do that, guys, because somehow if something is running, okay, it will be destroyed. So you should not kill application process, guys. You can see the names. Is it application process or is it your process? You can understand that. Okay, so because the commands, those are commands, right? Definitely you should understand. If you don't know, you should Google it. What is this process? Is it something like it is showing system D? You can Google it. Is it system process or user process? If it is system process, you can decide what process it is, why it is consuming more CPU this time. Is it normal behavior or is it only this time because of something it is consuming more? Then you have to take a decision. Okay, and quit the screen. Q for quit. I want to check RAM information in my system. How much RAM I have? Simple. Free -G, free -M, free space -M. Enter. See, you can see RAM information. How much total? Around 1 GB is there. Utilized 125, free 369. Again, last one. So guys, buffers means cache memory means something. Example, your browser is there. First time I opened a browser, I connected some video, YouTube video. Okay, I completely buffered it. Now second time if you open, actually it won't go to the internet, the same video. Already buffer will be there, cache will be there in your system. RAM, it will be stored in RAM, guys, that buffer memory. Okay, so video will be you can play the video directly. It won't go to internet second time. That is what buffer. Here also buffer memory will be there. If you open any application by connecting to internet, the same application if you open again, it won't go to internet. Already there in here, buffer memory. Okay, so total 711 MB memory available here. In the same way, CPU information also. Total how many CPUs I have? LS CPU. LS CPU. Run it. Single command. It will list how many CPUs you have in your system. See, somewhere it is showing 1. CPUs 1. Highlight it. Yeah. So in the same way, it will show you, you can check how many disks available in your system. So definitely storage required, right? How many disks you have also you can see. LSBLK, single command again. LSBLK, enter. Okay, see guys, I can see how many disks, only one disk available, XVDA. Partition, XVDA1 is there, partition. You can see how many disks available also here. Okay, so this is how you can maintain. You can check your storage, RAM, CPU. So guys, in Windows also we have this concept, but everything visualized. Graphically you can see that. That's where you don't know. But here, everything command line. You should know the commands, guys. Exactly. Okay, so make sure that practice more. So almost we are done with basics. Linux not yet done, guys. Linux, so much is there is still. Okay, in day-to-day DevOps class also, you'll get so many other commands. And even shell scripting, you will get more advanced commands like text processing tools. Okay, so as of now, basics done. And tomorrow onwards, guys, it will be 7:15 a.m. class, not 8:30. So make sure that, remember that. So tomorrow onwards, we are going to start DevOps. Okay, so Linux done. And make sure that practice and complete your task. Those questions are given to you. And I think who joined today? Newly. So guys, whoever doesn't have my number, can you please ping me in this group, in this WhatsApp number? I think Chaitanya, you joined today only. Chaitanya, Madhu I have. Pramod and Chaitanya, can you please ping me in my WhatsApp number? I'll add into my group. So you will get the updates.
Yeah, Amar? Okay.
Yes.
Amar,
Yes, Prasad, tell me.
till now you have told us that installation process of Jenkins and Apache. These are just demo purpose, right?
Exactly, you're right. So not it done. Just the example purpose, I have taken those example. Again, Jenkins related. Whenever we started Jenkins, that time I will give clear explanation. What is Jenkins? How to configure? How to install? How to integrate with the Git? How to integrate with Ansible, Docker, Hibernate? Everything I will show there. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And one more thing is, I have installed RHEL on my system. So it asks me
Okay.
that root password. I have given root password and username and user password. By default, I have entered into that Qt session. I have given normal user. I have given user password account. And when I convert into the root admin, root user, so I have got that error. That sudo access is not possible.
That's what, that user may not have sudo access then. Then in that case, you have to first log in with root user, then set the sudo access, then after log in with normal user. Okay?
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anything else you want to ask?
That's my question. That is my doubt.
Okay, no problem. First sudo access you have to give, then only you can do that. Okay?
Already I have given the
Okay then, guys.
root access.
No. If the root access given, definitely you should not get that error. Somehow maybe you missed the syntax, something like that. Then add properly.
Actually, I have a question. What is the difference between that duplicate session and new session? Like when Pushpita was starting new session, you said start duplicate only like that.
Yeah. New session means again you have to give your IP address, key details and all.
Okay.
Duplicate session means it will pick the same details. These details only there. User details. Directly I can give, sorry, no need to give IP address, key and again. Can you open
Okay.
new session once, Pushpita? Just right click on new session. You have to provide all the details again explicitly, like IP address, key and all. See, it is asking. Without that, you cannot proceed. Just try
Okay.
duplicate session now. It will pick the same details. Already same key, same IP address. Directly, you can give the like username and login. That's it. See?
Thank you.
Got it now? Yeah. Shortcut, guys.
Thank you.
Okay then, guys. Thank you very much. We'll meet again tomorrow. Not same time. 7:15 a.m. IST. Okay, so 1 hour Yes.
Sir,
Who is that?
Madhu sir.
Yes, Madhu, tell me.
Sir, have you posted that yesterday session in YouTube, sir?
I think so.
I did check it morning, sir. It's not there.
It's not there.
Okay, then. Maybe let me check that then. Okay.
Okay.
I'll check that. No problem. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm missing
Okay then,
yesterday's
guys.
session. It looks
Sure, sure.
bit
Maybe let me
confusing
ask.
today.
Oh, okay. Let me check that then. Okay. No problem.
Okay.
Okay then, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye, sir.